But I just feel say now when they call them for stage
for
performance,
shows,
they need to do more. Because I don't see.
But that one
wey
Fuse do no bad. That one wey do. I see in performance.
But Young John need to do a whole lot.
Now your guy talk to her.
Sometimes you just want make people they sing. No, you are there to actually sing your song too. You get me people say DJ the player or Danny. So you need to put.
And most of them no believe say
stage
difference is there between being a singer and being a performer. But if you come on stage, you have to be both.
No, you have
sing
to
and perform.
Especially you know when they collect show money.
Abi.
You cannot be call show you they carry mic for people. Man, only then they sing your song from verse 1, verse 2, verse 3. You get me? You know. But notwithstanding, Tuesday edition of Across the Bridge Hockey start. PD is back.
The PD is not back. You see, they never resume. I don't know what
the PD where they talk to.
You want make us and fight you? Now only one PD we get.
No, this one. You know, forgetting a PD of community. This thing be the teacher.
Okay.
Community.
No,
manager.
they get their own PD.
Oh, okay, sorry. Our CM is back.
Which one is community manager?
God, you shall go accept the position where I will give you. Whether CMO, PDO, AQO, DTO, our CM is back. The head of.
Wait. I know they hear your voice at all.
Wait. Touch
I don't get any.
I
don't get any position.
Yeah.
I don't get any.
Last we all know. Alex Bala, we enter right now. We're the boss.
I just be first voice. That's all. I don't get any position.
It's not the one character to join him. And then we got ourselves at one of Naija FM day here too, Lady JJ. We are Lady J. You know our love this strong. We get that yesterday. We said to
I am about 2 years ago.
But God, you remember?
I remember that time we buy.
Yes.
We patronize the DJ.
I think I be. Lady J go look for the picture. Come out.
Me said one of the very first way patronize the DJ. You know, muffler. You do muffler for me that time.
Yeah. Now after I do for you, now you do for me.
Yes.
When I come, so this one went do for you nice. The cause okay go do for me.
I think the bond of connection yesterday. Now she no like the fact that you say na low quality.
She use for your daughter.
You know, and that as when they talk, I just did like. This is no need for argument
yeah.
Because no matter how you do every product in life, you get low quality, you get high quality, you get different class of and different prices. For instance, no matter how you like Honda and Toyota Rich, you don't even compare them to BMW and Benz. You understand? The BM and Benz go always cost past Honda and
I think
Toyota.
Lady Sister Premium.
You understand?
They try to talk say at that time when she start. Maybe she not fit afford the kind of material when she they use. Now never argue. I just this now what I talk. I say that time when you see just the start. So material when you use that time, they different from the one when I say use for Becca
different color, but not the same quality, the same yarn.
Because when you see Becca own, Godwin, you don't see Becca.
Maybe that the design make her look like something different.
You buy, and you can call this in low quality. You look this in way saying low quality.
But that one are full clothes now.
You know because this one because this one now like shoes small whatever
shoe and
the quantity of whatever good way she go use go different from the other one, so if it be the same quality but different size and quantity.
But she they take they try explain to us. I just say Becca
you insist.
I say why did you not do something
you insist
like I just in a sockets you do for me
and DJ you don't help your case, you know, explain.
You don't want listen.
You know, no. The way two of them they shout, nobody get. In fact, you they concentrate more on say he saying that low quality, saying that I downgrade them. No, in they try downgrade, but nobody. But not be say, but not be downgrade. Now different products, different quality. Everything get different quality, different things and all that. So okay.
What do you now?
Okay, maybe not because they use one to do clothes.
Yes, so you go always different. You go look different.
That one just started to lose after my daughter.
And you say that just once you wear them.
That one so.
Once I started.
And then you know say, and you know say that time Lady J hand no go down strong like
so
now.
So all these things that they talk.
Obviously,
there has been growth in what you have been doing.
Exactly.
From the point when I tell with you, and
improvement they do everything. Everything they improve. Yes.
And they look down. The one use me take motivation.
No, I don't use you. I don't use you. Do man, you don't start again. You don't start again.
You don't
start again.
You want to give me
2 times you pay 3K.
Well, not pay complete. You remember say I pay 2K.
You not pay once now.
So when time reach, you come tell us, Lady J they owe me money. I don't begin money. Now say I rather give her to God, we just sit down like this.
Yes. I remember.
Now they laugh me. Say I pay 3K 2 times in installment. Not with that money.
I beg, keep quiet. Oh, your mic. Oh, your mic.
I will support. See, Godwin is one of the first shareholder, followed by me and other people. We'll continue supporting your business. Time will come and we'll open store for you.
Oh, yeah, nah.
We'll go buy a machine for you.
You get mouth.
Just say we'll not get winter for this country. We was made do winter jacket.
Winter jacket for us.
She feel knit am. That one will be problem. She go knit am.
We will support your business.
If you come knit you now you go shout say you get other
things. I know. You will vex me.
Yeah, you don't on your monthly period.
Make I clear some things yesterday. You insist. The reason why maybe I react, I say you insist. Say. Na low quality, no be the same thing, but na the same quality of yarn I use for Becca, I use for you.
Okay, you remember me and you get one discussion.
Wait till now, make I finish.
You say don't change person when they buy.
Make I finish now.
So now that I say
R&B, calm down, make I finish, make I land. Yeah. Wetin I buy for you, wetin I use for you and Becca, the person where I buy am from, they here for Lagos. In fact, she dash you cap. If you remember, that our guest for woman matter. Dash you cap. Now she I buy am from. I get major supplier for Abuja. I no go call her name. So if I won't buy anything majorly for in this particular yarn where I buy, she know they sell them. Now different brands she they get. So if I need any other brand, now she they consult. But this particular one, it they here.
But definitely one thing be say.
But the same thing.
One thing be say you are better at it now than you be that time. Your hand on the stronger now. Like Arabic talk say the team will lose that time. Now you know lose like that because your hand on the strong way. You understand? So no be
your sister picking on there. I say I can legit do this one. Wow.
You know, and that's all life be. If you check car if you check Toyota of 2000 and Toyota of 2022, different thing. You know, see screen inside that one. Now you go see screen, phone, everything they change every time. You know, so everything they improve now. So life be general.
But it is well.
Oh yeah, maybe move to Soyi matter.
Moving forward, first matter on the. A lot of people, one of the escape routes to poverty for Nigeria or for the black man, now to quickly become so-called man of God. And start to they say, oh, I have done this, I have repented, let me preach and preach. We don't see artists doing, we don't see politicians doing, we don't see footballers doing. Most time, we don't really know their clear intentions or their agenda. We'll just generalize and okay, they don't give their life to Christ. So true, that means that they talk a lot of things when people they pay attention to because they don't feel say, oh, these people don't give their life to Christ. So yesterday, former Nigerian musical artist, Soyi Baba Day, who don't become part of a while. The devil accuse and say it's scam people one time like that. I think our body way they currently right now. Call talk something when make everybody wow for real. Becca, more plan.
Now, please, before you judge me, listen. When a man marries a woman that is not his soulmate, the day he meets you that is his soulmate, there'll be trouble in that marriage. And sometimes I've seen cases where a man refused to give a woman divorce, where a woman refused to give a man divorce. Now, my question to you is, if that man finds somebody who gives him peace, who gives him joy, who is ready to be with you, will now tell the person that you can't be with him because you don't want to be a side chick. Many of you are still single because you are not sensitive to what I'm talking about. If your destiny is written that you will marry a man that has been married before and you are saying you don't want it, you will remain single. I'm not cursing you. It's a fact. So your sensitivity to know, as long as the man is transparent and honest, follow that man and enjoy your life. Shalom.
In talk one thing they say, if about person we no want marry man we don't marry before.
He put two situations together.
First of all, when they use one word there, if now your destiny or soulmate, nothing like that.
You can't say like, the married man is honest and transparent.
You know why I know say nothing like soulmate or destiny. So if your soulmate na Japanese and they're not going to give you visa, what go happen?
Japanese man will come meet you.
If your soulmate there for Russia, they fight one now. Wait, he can't bomb, can't land from Papa's house, he can't die. You're not supposed to marry again. No, I don't agree on that soulmate.
Now the soulmate word you get.
I don't like soulmate. Number one. Number two, when you say somebody na your destiny. See, nothing like say na your destiny.
For partnership.
One thing I know what I don't study from Bible and for God be say. Bible says God give you an expected end. Say the thoughts I have for you are thoughts of good, not of evil, to give you an expected end. That's why for Joshua he say, choose you this day you will serve. You understand? God they always give people option. That is why somebody will ask you, say, Why devil feel rebel? Where go? Because if na me be God, if na me be God, we go create angels. If you say go, they go come, they'll come. But they get will to decide whether they want to obey or not. So the devil decide to rebel. That is why. That is why 1/3 of the angels decide to follow him. They get choice. Same thing as human being, we get choice. The only person where God give wife na Adam, and he blame God. When God say, "Why you eat what I say?" The woman where you give me.
Nah, give me the.
If you check all the fathers for Bible, which of them God give wife? They go find wife by themselves now. Abraham, we just hear say he don't marry Sarah in Papa house. Abraham want Isaac promise speaking. He say go by Papa village, go look for wife. Don't marry any of this other whatever. He tell the boy I beg.
Nothing like your destiny partner, your soulmate.
David, when he go give him brothers food where they dey for war front. They say, what did that happen? Why on they fight war? They say this Goliath the intimidator. He say, first of all, what did they go give person go kill this man? You know, number one, you go marry king daughter. The princess they up for marriage. I go like to marry her. Number two, you know they pay tax. He kill Goliath, collect wife. When they see Nabal wife, the other man will die because the woman display wisdom. He marry and join. You understand? Nothing like say your destiny will destiny. No.
So, but
now that's why Bible
say
say he that findeth a wife.
Now you go find her by yourself.
You go find by yourself.
Okay, I want to believe saying that the terminology when you use now you get problem with, which is the
soulmate and then your destiny.
Okay. So before I proceed, a quick one. Bible recognize divorce, right? I think we don't have discuss on this particular.
No,
you talk one part.
Well, no, you get that's what we talk that day and I say they go ask Jesus Christ for New Testament. They say. Once he still say if we want divorce, more will give the person certificate of divorce. What do you think? He concerned that because we are too stubborn now. I make Moses say, look, since we are the one stubbornly live in our wife, okay, get certificate because but from beginning no be so.
But later on Bible recognize.
You understand? So, but he can't talk. But what the Bible talk about divorce now? So even though some pastors go tell say get other deeper things where if you know see for the surface, this Bible talk about divorce. Say anybody will divorce in partner except for marital unfaithfulness, which is adultery. Say they commit sin if you remarry. So Bible say so the only grounds where Bible give based on what if you read them in the surface, what some pastor go tell you say you go beyond that. The only grounds where Bible give say if you leave your wife or your husband, you find out say the person they commit adultery. If you leave her, that be the ground.
So you know why a person more clear that one right now? Because the points when I believe say so he they try prove now say people they fall out of love. If you marry somebody right now, the reason why divorce, even I feel say it did now say, me and you don't date together. I don't fall out of love with you. With this, there is irreconcilable difference between us. Let's go our way. You go your way. And most time, what did they motivate this choice? Now because you don't see somebody.
Don't they eye somebody else outside?
Say they better than your wife or your husband. So your mindset now say, why stay here when I can be with this better person? I'm more not like most divorces. High percentage of I don't want to add attached figure to that now because of things like that. So ability they try to talk that be say, you went there inside marriage self, you can still find love, and you went there outside you can find love in someone's marriage. Now say the time you say you they call a person joy.
But that argument they flawed. Why I don't like the argument of the flaw be say people feel decide say they want divorce. But I don't say according to what me I read from Bible.
You're based on adultery.
The basis now based on adultery. But like when my pastor explained that one time about the talk say, so if you want limit to that one, what about woman waiting for house where the man they beat her? If you say she stay there permanently, that is why
that one on that area right now.
That's why I have to give an example. That's why the pastor go tell you say. So you know if you just limit her to only just that adultery. If woman day in the place where in life they in danger, she can leave. And then if you leave the man, you know if you gonna tell her say if she can't find somebody else, we love her, we no be somebody else husband. You know if you say she know enjoy her life or build the family because say one idiot she married before they beat her almost kill her. You know if you can't limit her based on saying adultery. So that is why they talk say you get some other aspects where if you look at. But this only
you just get with your thing now.
So one person if you just wake up one day say I don't fall out of love.
Hold on, you know more not misinterpret. Just now you drop this point now. More not misinterpret. So waiting they talk now. Even waiting Bible door recognize. Say if adultery day, waiting they cause adultery. Now if single girl or single boy they say run things with a
You
married
don't
person.
forget, say we don't yet say married women self. They
Run things.
married women.
That one already. I just want to focus on this sorry part. Which so any relationship between a single person and a married person now waiting adultery. Which actually give chance
So the other person to
so
leave.
waiting they talk now say the road to that adultery. Not they talk say you don't want one. As a single girl or as a single man, run things with married people. Now so they try encourage you. You don't say Sean in the way that talk say you deal with married man, you deal with married woman. So waiting that don't say no need to dey shun against her. Embrace them because you can find love through that process, which could lead to the divorce.
Make it divorce first
people.
now before you go say you won't put head.
It's not possible. Now the thing.
No, but anybody, but
possible?
married person and single person where they sleep together already they commit sin, which is adultery.
So
if the other partner decides you know if he take him, he won't leave. That partner get right to remarry according to Bible.
Yes.
But that partner no go they pray make one person for outside taking husband or wife so that to give am the freedom to come out. Secondly, marriage. What we are not discovering about marriage be say. The same way you know if you just wake up one day say you don't fall in love with the girl, and the same way you know if you just wake up say you don't fall out of love. It they take process now, slow process.
Yeah.
When person don't sit down look say, I don't love this woman again. You know just happen that day.
You don't see
things don't they happen. Don't they pile up. You don't reach the stage where you say, look, I no fit again. You don't they manage her for years. The same way you say, go see somebody say after 30 years they don't marry, they see they in love with each other. Now see process. They work on them continuously. Marriage that work.
Process.
Marriage that plenty work. No
you know
say,
why I like this matter, God.
You understand? So now
I
plenty
just want
work
point
basically.
to you now say, you feel explain the Bible from your own.
But if you explain them,
comfortability.
but if you explain them, person will know the Bible go know whether they talk to whether you they misinterpret them or not.
I'm not sure say anybody to know the Bible. Everybody understand that from their point of view. Be it pastor, be it evangelist, be it bishop, be it me, be it you. Now wait till I think I don't realize because if somebody go corner, go counter waiting me and you they talk and waiting so you they talk from your point of view of the Bible.
But some of the things where they basic things where they be say if man or person we don't marry sleep with person never marry na adultery
for Bible now waiting
no grounds for divorce. Now grounds for divorce. Now Bible no they encourage divorce, but they say in case you won't even come out now this reason because anybody where they leave you go they meet somebody for outside it means say you don't they tell you say maybe you don't want you again or you don't cheat on you know belong to and then that vow I don't take don't break.
But
so
the problem maybe say I get with
waiting.
so he talk we say if you see a honest married man like I don't understand.
And a single woman not be see honest married man. That's why I be as husband.
What is very honest about the married man?
It's a transparent married man.
He married one time now. He married that but don't separate.
Queen.
He married to not queen that queen lady
one
now.
queen where they sing like that.
Yes.
not they married again.
You don't know. They don't divorce.
Funny enough.
The Bible from your
Like I don't understand.
Solely na church person from day one. I not solely for my church. Yes, I not for my church. I remember in those days when youngsters are played my pastor group. Youngsters when they do music competition, I solely win now. I be part of the judges. In fact, for the finals, basketball even did at that time. What we do for God, this cinema for Lodia Papa. Solely na win. This was in the 90s, early 2000. You understand? When Solely win, Tony na church person. In fact, when Solely win. When he can't get that hit solely Baba there. I remember one pastor wife that time who married pastor he say, can you imagine? Can they call him papa and say that the pastor this person picking?
Now they do this.
Now they sing secular song and all that time. So the time he said that so they already get background of church from beginning. So now when they preach that a lot of people go come out they say things from their point of view.
Now way I talk. But we always say Bible from your point of view.
Even Bible don't account for this. Don't talk and say in the last days a lot of people go come interpret different things different ways.
No, they don't do one since then. Not be able in the last days.
They tell you so now. Last days don't they sing? Yeah, it can be 10 years ago, it can be 20 years ago. You understand? So the point is that people go always day. That is why everybody gets a copy of the Bible.
Read that yourself.
You read
understand that yourself.
Pray, may God give you understanding.
You see this your personal point of view.
There is no honest married man. There is no honest. Which one
So,
be
no
honest
one,
married?
if that man go dey-
Now that flat dey
Now that one I off me. Oh.
How
that married man go dey honest?
so you
Bow. No,
that is
See,
married.
e get some things where they come naturally.
You can still
No.
find love with him.
E get some things wey dey come.
What kind of
e get some things wey dey
dirty
come
talk
naturally
is
as a
that?
human being. Wey be say, as a natural human being,
Yeah.
you go notice am. For instance, if you see pretty woman wey don marry, you go know say the woman fine now.
Yes,
She dress
now
well.
you can always see
You
more
go
attractive
appreciate say,
people
wow,
than
this
your
woman na
spouse.
fine woman. Your husband dey enjoy you.
Yeah.
But not be say you come dey say at that point because she fine. Make I look for her go take break the
You
marriage
don't
so
feel like
that
say, I'm an honest married man.
honest
though.
marriage woman.
No, that's
man-
not you finding love. That's you being promised.
Exactly.
Promiscuous.
The same way
Promiscuous.
women go see some men say, man, this man answer, his wife they enjoy
Wait till
you.
they
That
talk
kind
about
of thing.
finding love in people's
You know,
pattern.
why I no come? I don't think it's him before. Say
You don't
somebody,
think I-
go say, "Na my soulmate." Nothing like soulmate. You wake up, fall in love with that person. You see her one day, like am, ask am out, when I go dinner, go lunch, when I come they hang out. I don't give this example now. My guy for school in those days, he go only they complain say this girl no fine. He go tell the girl. Say she too. Every time if you do, I go to leave her now. That
I don't
somebody.
think,
He go say she
the
no fine.
soulmate got do
The
anything
day
with
where
being
they,
fine, though.
the time where they compare them for projects together, when they work for project throughout one semester. Next semester they come back, they don't they friend themselves.
Yeah, now that's
Okay,
say
so
work.
they
They
will-
work.
yes,
Wait,
now,
time as well.
that's a guy, but you say she not fine. Say no, you've not gone close to her. When you see what's inside,
Personality.
when you see the
Finding a
inside,
soulmate,
the
not
beauty
the-
inside.
not the-
I beg.
So
I
soulmate
need
na a
to
person, ideally-
before I come up from my head. You say nothing like soulmate. So
Soulmate,
this term, match made in heaven.
Nah,
I
you
beg,
might be.
make una
but
be
you
like
just
Jonah.
talk
like that.
talker.
This
Now
one
the-
this
now
one
people
na
dey talk
match
am
made
now.
in heaven. So I then take match them for heaven.
No,
Now they tell-
now
now people
see,
they talk that one to
everything
deceive
boils
themselves.
back to say you go talk your Bible from your point of
Of
view.
view.
You get me?
Yeah.
So Godwin, a soulmate na person when ideally they suited to another as a close friend or a romantic partner. So now from your ugbe,
So when people go come see,
Yeah,
that,
it's
that's why when people
your
don't be saying a bad word to
terminology.
use.
yes.
But don't be saying person just wake up, they tell him children say, he get soulmate where God don't prepare for you. So you go need to find out who she be.
God don't prepare that for you.
Because
Now you prepare yourself.
because if that your soulmate there another continent and they don't give you visa to go America, you're in trouble. And that person don't get interest in coming to Nigeria. You go lose am. Still be say if he fall in love with somebody, una don't date for a very long time, you can't say, man, the way this woman they understand me, the way would they this one are my soul.
But you know, say for our Christian folks, before they go say, before, if you want to marry somebody, they go say, waiting you dream, waiting you dream.
Whether you don't want-
you
what
don't
do
you
you
see am
see
for your
a
dream,
batter?
waiting, yeah.
But
So
God,
my,
do
I
they
dey
really
come,
pray
please,
about
daddy,
that
I dey come. So
if you pray about partner.
So I remember when my sister won't get married.
Yeah.
You know that question my papa bring am up when her husband now come for just come never do proper introduction. Then so my papa come dey ask my brother-in-law say how he take no say na my sister be him wife. He say wetin he dream and which dream. He the way how he
Wetin
take
he
see
come
am. That one look my sister like this. I sister dey for one corner they look at both of them. He come ask my sister so he be like say your husband no wan answer now.
You come.
You how you take no say this young man na your husband. He can't say well she no dream she no hear any voice say okay this man is your husband say but wetin she know say she get this peace whenever he dey with am.
Yes,
You
yes.
see this explanation, I think it boils down to wetin Godwin dey try talk. When the Bible talks say na man dey find how you take talk on your son.
He
Man
will
dey
find
find
a
wife,
wife,
he
find
finds
a
a
wife.
wife.
So now you by yourself, they find not be God who carry give you.
And then if you pray, may God lead you. Say, if this person wants different now, in case he get something when they hide one, if he
Yes,
guide
oh,
God,
Yeah.
But later, you still
like
find
me,
out.
my wife. The time where first now when I see my wife, I didn't even engage to somebody else. She said they
Can
engage
you
somebody. Now
imagine?
my mama they tell me say when I come out from school,
I
my
just saw you they talking about.
mama they tell no, my mama they tell me.
Very different from
No, my mama they tell me that I say. You know, my mama tell me, I just come out from school the year
Are you sure
2000.
you
I just come out from school. My mama say, I don't see wife for you. I said, which wife? I get girlfriend. He said, no, that girl you go marry, you see. Want. My mama just they tell me say, nah, she I go marry. As at the year 2000, that I get girlfriend. She then engaged to somebody self. My mama thought that one the year 2000. By 2004, we don't begin friend.
They
Our
do.
relationship don't spoil. We don't. But my mama just talk now.
wait
you dey use us.
after your mama talk this one we
Now
no talk
you
this
just
point.
spoil now.
The two
Before
them go
come.
spoil. It depends on between two
Now,
people.
make it testimony Godwin.
Abeg where we dey go? Oya na since that day.
Abeg, well, join us tomorrow 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. My name is Aram.
My own name na Becca please.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.